Instagram have rolled out their live producer options to more people. If you do have a professional account, you should have access to this now. So on desktop, if I go to create, I can select live video. I can give this a title and I will say testing Instagram live. And we have the ability to choose a different audience. So you can go public or you can practice. In this case, I'm going to go public. I'll hit next. This will give me a stream URL and a stream key that I can copy and paste into my software of choice. So for today, I'm going to copy the stream key, and I'm actually using OBS Studio, which is the program that I usually use, and I haven't turned my camera on, so let me do that quickly. Okay, I've got my turn my lights on as well. There you go. You can see me a little bit better now. So I've actually got OBS Studio running here with just the traditional version and also the Aitum plugin as well. So the Aitum plugin is really great. I seem to already be streaming, so I'm going to turn that off. Basically, you do want to stream in a vertical format for this. So in this case, I'm going to come to the Aitum Vertical Plugin options, the settings here. If I go over to the streaming tab, I can give this a name. I can paste the server information and I can paste the key in there as well. And I can go OK. Now when I'm ready to go live, I can hit this button down here, which is stream all vertical outputs. I go back to Instagram and hopefully you'll see my preview over here eventually. Okay, the other thing that's probably worthwhile doing is actually muting your tab here, because otherwise you will hit yourself back and that's incredibly annoying. So I'm going to hit the go live button. And there is definitely a bit of a lag here. So just keep that in mind when you are going live on Instagram. This is literally the first time I've actually done this via this particular format. I haven't really told anybody I'm doing this, so I doubt we're going to have a lot in terms of chat, but I just wanted to take you through the options of doing this. So again, if you had a little bit more of an elaborate set over here in OBS Studio, you could switch to different scenes, you could toggle things on and off, you could change how everything looks. If I maybe want to get rid of the logo or bring in some other graphic, that's easy enough to do. But essentially, we click that button, we go live, and when we're done, we're happy with that, we can go to End Live Video. And here you'll see that to download your video, view this in your archive on the Instagram app. It's really important that you do this via the Instagram app. And there is a setting that you probably want to make sure that you have switched on. I think it's called Save Live to Archive. But basically, from this screen, you want to close out of here, discard this video, but you do want to make sure if you need a recording of this that you've got that set up already on your app. But that said, if you are doing this through software, you can always additionally save it via here as well. So again, I have an option to record a version of this locally as well if I wanted to do that. So let's stop, and there we go. That's basically how this works.